Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this Insta Live. I am Anshul and I am a health coach. I am waiting for our three main guests from different niches. So, we are going to have a live talk or discussion sort of thing. I am waiting for three of them to join. Once they join in, we can start the discussion part. And hopefully, you will get some clarity on your questions related to your problems that you might be facing right now. Hi, Devakar. I've sent you the invite. Divakar, your camera is on the opposite side. Yeah,
Right.
now also. Welcome, Divakar.
Hi.
So we are waiting for Ambika and Vaishali. Once they join in, we can get started our Insta live discussion. I'm just searching for. I have sent the invite to Ambika. Ambika is unable to join. Ambika, I'm sending you invite once again. Divakar, do you know Vaishali's ID? Instagram.
Mm,
It
yes.
starts right.
Hi Anshul, Divakar, hi. I
Hello.
could see you
Hello.
both.
Yes.
Ambika is unable to join. Ambika, I'm sending you invite once again. Ambika, do you know Vaishali's ID?
Yeah, Tarot, TAROT underscore
TAROT. TAROT underscore. It's not
T.
showing me. I'm not sure if she's following me.
Oh, okay. She has to, that means. Only when she follows, only we can.
Hmm. Can you just mention his exact ID क्या है? Tarot underscore.
One minute.
Because I'm not getting her ID when I'm searching by Tarot underscore. So I think either of us are not following each other. 175 followers.
Should I share in WhatsApp?
Yeah, even she has not joined.
Okay, maybe that is the reason.
And should you share your ID in WhatsApp so that she can at least see from there and join?
I'm not sure if she is right now.
That's a request. Yeah.
I cannot find her in my followers. मैं सर्च सर्च तो कर रहा हूँ बट आई कैन नॉट फाइंड इट. Can you drop her a message to follow
Yeah,
me?
yeah, I'm doing that now to Vaishali.
मैंने लिखा.
Yeah. She is joined now. Inner Soul underscore Tarot. This is her. She is the one.
Inner Soul. I double N-E-R or I single N-E-R?
Double N. Inner Soul. No, she is already there in the chat box. You see,
Okay. Got it.
लाइव चैट बॉक्स में देखिए आप. हाँ, अभी यहाँ है, देखिए.
कुछ join
हाँ,
accept करना पड़ेगा क्या?
Inner Soul underscore Tarot. Yeah.
invite मेरा गया हुआ है उनको because invite button is disabled. Inner Soul.
Yeah.
नहीं वही खुद
From
join
her.
करने की कोशिश करेंगे ना, बस आप accept कर सकते हो.
मैं इनको भेजता हूँ कि send me an invite. Please send me invite. Vaishali. So, hi everyone. We three have joined. We are just waiting for Vaishali to join us, and once she joins us, we can start with our topic and talk that our guests will be discussing with all of us. I think उनको invite पहुंचा नहीं है. I have not got any request from her end. और मेरे end से दिखा रहा है कि button disable है. That means I have sent her the invite. So, I think she has two IDs. She has just now started following me. Yeah, that was the reason. I also just clicked on follow on her Insta. Maybe now we can add. Inner. Yeah, now the invite has been sent to her. Yeah, hi. Yeah, that was the reason. I also
Hi
just
Vaishali, we
clicked
want
on
to
follow.
see you,
Sorry.
not your.
Yes. Hi.
Now we can add.
Hi.
So, hi everyone. So, we are
So,
waiting for this moment when all four of us are together. And welcome to everyone. Also, good afternoon, everyone, for joining
Good
us on this afternoon. We have Divakar with us, who is a finance coach. We have Vaishali with us, who is a cosmic healer coach. And then we have Ambika with us, who is a parenting coach. So let me start by giving a short introduction about myself. I am a health coach and I have been helping people in achieving their weight loss and improving their health. So that is all about me. So we can go across the table, maybe alphabetically. Ambika, please give your introduction.
hi. Yes, hi all. Hi Anshul, Divakar and Vaishali. Okay, so about myself, I'm Ambika Shyamsundar and founder of Naturo East Tribe. It's a parenting tribe. I'm a natural parenting coach and I have 10 years experience in this research institute handling both parents and kids projects. So I help actually both parents and children of particularly 8 to 15 years old to achieve their energetic, enhance their focus, productivity through stable and calm parenting. Okay, and you can join me. So over to you, Divakar.
Yeah, hi. Hello, great coaches, and I am into personal finance. I help mid-career professionals achieve financial freedom or at least financial security through equity investment, long-term investment, so that they can create wealth in long term.
That's
Hi,
great, Divakar.
I'm वैशाली और लास्ट में नाम होने का ये लास्ट अल्फाबेट्स होने का ये एक ड्रॉबैक है कि आपका नंबर लास्ट आता है. So that's just kidding. मैं कॉस्मिक डिवाइन कोच हूँ. My tribe is the wealth creator with the cosmic divine courses. और मैं टैरो एंड यदि कॉस्मिक डिवाइन को डिफाइन करूँ तो मैं टैरो, न्यूमरोलॉजी, angel healing crystals and lots of those modalities with the healing modalities. So I am in all those things, and you can join me, you can follow me, and you can ask me anything. Yeah, Anshul, back
Thank
to
you,
you.
everyone. Thank you, Divakar, Ambika, and Vaishali for your introduction. That was very crisp and short. Now let's get into our questionnaire round, by which our audience can get more clarity on the topics or niches that these coaches are dealing with. So I'll start first with Divakar. Uh, I'll take myself as an audience, assume myself as an audience, and if in case I want to achieve, I have a goal of achieving an investment of around 1 crore in 10 years, what should I do, or what step of investment should I take?
Right. And so this is a very important goal. One should aspire for achieving some target, and we should achieve through step by steps. So first, you have to identify what is your current situation. So you take down all those positive asset you have, like property, FD, mutual fund, equity, whatever you have currently invested in. You had to jot down those things in the main asset class, right? And after that, you also prepare one liability list where you have debt, means you have personal loan or any loan, home loan or car loan. So you write down all the loans, that is called liability. So you just reduce your liability from that current asset, and that you will get that net worth. From that net worth, that is point A, and now you want 1 crore of asset in 10 years. So gradually you start putting your extra saving, which you are doing currently month on month. You should put in a good asset class, so that will give a return, handsome return of 15-25%. And gradually you will see that compounding will happen. So you can calculate, if you are getting 25% return, you could double your money in 3 years, right? So accordingly, what is your current net worth? You can accordingly calculate what when you will reach, after how many years you will reach to 1 crore. Hope I am clear.
Hmm. Yeah, yes. I have heard this quote somewhere, maybe 5 to 10 years back, that don't put all your eggs in a single basket. So I think
Exactly.
this is
Right.
true in investment, that you
Yes.
should
Right.
multiple investment, or not only for mutual funds or real estate or gold. So I think that is fine. That
Yes.
should be done.
Right. 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 So when
So
investing, it is not that you should put all your money in equity. You should be diversified in other asset classes.
correct. Thank you, Divakar. Now moving on to our numerologist coach, that is Vaishali. I would like to ask that if because India has huge population, and once we pass out from colleges or any studies, we don't generally get placement. So can any students come to you as a numerology expert to guide you how they can predict about their career and job through numerology? Is it possible?
Hi, Anshul. That is a very relevant question, and lots of people come to us and they want to ask the predict the things, all those things. See, once the prediction is the part that I can say कि यदि मैं कहूँ कि आपका नवंबर में this date तक job लग जाएगा, that is not going to be the true. If you are sitting at home and not doing anything, and if I say all those things, that is not true. But yes, we can say, but everything should be an alignment. यदि आपका date of birth, आपका name, आपका mobile number, ये सब align है, and if you do it in the proper way, और यदि हम आपको बताएं कि आपको इस तरीके से जाना है, you can do the some remedies. So with the numerology, I can check your house also. I can see the problem there in their house and the vastu also. So lots of things are there. यदि आप उसको properly combine करते then हम दिशा दशा महादशा आपकी अंतरदशा प्रत्यंतर दशा से बता तो दे ही देते कि this is the good time period is coming, but उसके लिए आपको preparation पहले से लगती है. यदि आप बोलेंगे मेरा जनवरी में टाइम पीरियड शुरू हो रहा है तो मैं जनवरी से जाके रजिस्टर करूंगा या जनवरी में अप्लाई करना शुरू करूंगा, तब तक आपका टाइम पीरियड निकल जाएगा. बिकॉज अप्लाई करने का आपको प्रोसीजर पता होना चाहिए कि 15 दिन लगते हैं, 20 दिन लगते हैं, इंटरव्यू होता है, वो होता है. सो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अर्लियर एंड देन वी गिव द सम रेमेडीज ऑल्सो. So if you do this thing and that thing, then you can go for this thing. आपका पहले हम देख लेते हैं चार्ट में टोटली कि कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम एरिया है. सो प्रॉब्लम एरिया को सॉल्व करते हैं और साथ ही साथ बताते हैं कि यहाँ पे आपकी दशा बहुत अच्छी आ रही है. सो यू कैन ट्राई इन दैट दशा बहुत स्ट्रांगली, देन यू कैन गेट दैट जॉब. बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस होते हैं. आई कैन से 90% ऑफ चांसेस होते हैं. सो यस, वन ऑफ द वे, but not directly. Yes, it is not directly also, and yes also.
Yes. I came to know that I understand that we cannot solely depend on numerology. Actions has to be taken. Some effort has to
Obviously.
be done from people who are looking for jobs.
Yeah,
We need
but
the very
numerology can
yes.
help you to align. Yeah, if you align everything, if you take the remedies, if you do the corrections, yes, you can achieve whatever you want.
Yeah. So with the support of numerology and your efforts, you can achieve your goals and get the job and get your desired career.
Yes.
So thank you very much, Vaishali ji, for that. Now coming back to our third coach, parenting coach, Ambika. Ambika, I have also felt this problem as a father. My son is 9 years old. Sometimes he doesn't want to leave mobile because kids nowadays are addicted too much to mobile that it is very difficult and become a very household problem these days that it's very difficult to get them apart from the mobile. So can you suggest something that can get some clarity or solution to this problem?
Yeah, sure. So first of all, hi Anshul, and I wanted to not only to you and to other viewers here as well. We actually tell so many times to our kids no mobile screen or screen time. We have maybe a negative version of it as well. So we have to first understand what is the positive way, like pros and cons of everything, right? So first we have to understand why the child is using the screen time. Okay, so is it for the entertainment or is it for learning? So it has to be understood in that category. So once the child is also understood and if he wants to learn, because learning is also like a gaming part. There are so many languages kids are learning, new languages, and my child is actually doing chess online. तो चेस सीखने के लिए ऑनलाइन ही है एक तरीका. और and there are so many pros also. So we have to understand and we have to bring a time limit both for parents as a family. First we have to follow that and then to the kids as well, because sometimes as parents if we tell नहीं ये मेरा ऑफिस का कॉल है, no, this is very important to me. So the same time, same thing, even the child will also tell, yeah, हाँ पापा please, मेरे लिए भी ये बहुत important है, please. So that's how even the kids will also make out. So maybe we can also as a parent bring a boundary, set boundary, like हाँ बेटा ये हमारा फैमिली का बाउंड्री है, फ्रॉम दिस टाइम टू दिस टाइम आप भी नहीं टच करोगे और मैं भी नहीं. एंड देन वी कैन एक्चुअली मिंगल विद देम, co-create. So many activities are there, just enjoy with them, like create some craft or read a book. And there are so many things, because our generation have been in the non-digital era also, so we have to show them that path. I hope I answered your question, Anshul.
Yeah, you said na we generation are from non-mobile path, so it reminded me of when जब दूरदर्शन पे चित्रहार आया करता था तो हम लोग सब देखते थे, मूवीज आती थी वीकेंड पे तब देखते थे, उसके अलावा कुछ एडिक्शन नहीं हुआ.
Yeah. Yes.
Golden. So yes, I would be definitely to grab your suggestion that you have given and I will try to follow them, and maybe I become a better parent in doing this.
Yeah, and
So now-
even so many of us. Okay, so maybe now I will ask Anshul. Now my turn, maybe. Okay, so I want to ask Divakar. Divakar, actually, yeah, it's a when you answered, I was just thinking as an like we should have as a passive income as different parts. Can you just explain little bit about that? Like, as another part of like as a part of side hustle, which one first we can just start with?
If you are started earning, you should start with emergency fund. There should be
Okay.
3 to 6 months of emergency fund you should store first, right? And after that, you are getting more, then you start investing in good asset class, right? So asset class means where you get a better returns. Like we know that in FD we get 5 to 6% return. In PF, PPF we get 8% return. In NPS we get 10% return. In mutual fund 12 to 15% return. In equity, if you know something and manage our own portfolio, we could get 20 to 25% return. Right. So these are the asset class in which we can get a return, and that return is somewhat long-term return, right? In property also, if you are know when to buy the property, when to sell the property, you get a handsome return. So everyone is not conversant with each of that asset class. So for a nothing investor, they could start with means mutual fund. And if you are curious to know about investing, then you should learn a little bit and then start investing in equity also.
Okay. Hi Tojo, he's here actually. He's one of my friend and he also talks much about the investment part and everything. Okay, so Vaishali, next to you, can you just explain me that is the cosmic divine, whatever you tell, and it would be very nice, like as an introduction to our parents as well. What is that, and just little bit knowledge.
Yeah. Actually, cosmic divine is all about the energy you are taking from the universe and giving the answers, and you are going to align with the universe. तो आप universe के साथ में align करके उनके साथ में अपने answers ले सकते हैं. इसके बहुत सारे तरीके हैं जो हम लोग use करते हैं. You can go for the tarot reading. If you have any doubts in your life, if you want guidance, if you want to see the path, how to go about, how to see the red flags in your life, and how to see the red flags in the other person's life, somewhere in your life, and having some red flags. Lots of girls came for the marriage compatibility, and so they got to know if there is a red flag also, it is how the person is, it is going to be. And taking the path of the right, if you ask about the career path, then you can also ask for the tarot, and numerology is the best thing for the for career guidance. You can get your numbers and alignment, and you got to know कि exactly आपके numbers और सब क्या कहते हैं. You have to go into job also, या फिर आपको business करना चाहिए. यदि करना चाहिए तो कौन से field में करना चाहिए. So lots of things are there. फिर हम businessman जब चाहते हैं थोड़ा और आगे बढ़े, तो business यदि आप कर रहे हैं, तो what type of watch you should wear. That is also what watch brings in your life. So watch is also very very important part, same as the mobile numerology की mobile numbers आप जो use कर रहे हैं, क्या वो आपको सही दिशा में लेके जा रहा है या नहीं लेके जा रहा है, या आपके लाइफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट कर रहा है. तो इस तरीके से तो सॉल्विंग के लिए यदि आप चाहे तो फिर हीलिंग पार्ट होता है कॉस्मिक में, बिकॉज वी टेक द एनर्जी फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्स एंड हील द थिंग्स with the lots of other healing modalities. Just like I'm wearing crystals, so lots of crystals are there, and lots of I can do the candle healings, I can go for the lama fera healings, reiki healings. So lots of modalities are there to help you out. First of all, we want to know कि what is the question, and from आप किस तरह कितना deep जाना चाहते हैं. It is all about कि आप कितना कोई चीज में deep जाके अपने आप को वो देखना चाहते हैं and हो जाता है. It is, we can go up to the past life reading also. So what happened in your past life, and yeah, why you are here, and what is your purpose of in this life for divine is आपको divine ने क्या purpose देके भेजा है. एंड आपने पास्ट लाइफ में क्या प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हुए थे और इस लाइफ में आप उसको कैसे सॉर्ट आउट करके अपनी लाइफ को इजी कर सकते हैं. सो कॉस्मिक डिवाइन इज हाईली डीप.
Yeah. It's like universe and cosmic. It's like
Yes,
more deep inside us also.
yes, yes.
That's a nice one. Yeah. So Anshul, as a health coach, see, everybody asks like what type of food there's thing, but apart from the food, I just wanted to know what else can we do
Yeah.
to keep our
So
fit, to health fit. Yeah, go ahead.
yeah. So to be healthy and fit, this is a common rule among the entire world that 80% of what we eat is diet, and 20% is exercise. So, since you want to know what else apart from food, so I would emphasize more on burning our calories, whatever we are intaking on a daily basis. Suppose we are taking 2000 calories on a daily basis and we want to lose weight. So, for that, we have to reduce at least 500 calories intake per day. 500 कैलोरी हम कम खाएंगे डेली बेसिस पे फॉर अराउंड 1 month, 2 months and 3 months, then we will see the results, then we will start losing our weight. Besides that, we should focus on exercising also. Do any kind of exercise you love. You start with walking, brisk walking, do running. Yoga is very good if in case anyone has any lifestyle disorders like high blood pressure, hai, cholesterol, high thyroid, fatty liver, or sugar, or in case of ladies, PCOS or PCOD problem is very common. So to reduce that, exercise is also important. You can go to gym, do strength training there, lift some weights. If not in the gym, then you can do some high intensity interval trainings in the home itself. So do indulge in any exercise. Do at least 150 minutes of exercise per day. It can be as easy as doing just 30 minutes of walk per day, or it can be as intense as lifting weights in the gym. So do whatever you are comfortable in, whatever your body allows, whatever the needs of your body is. You want to lose weight, you want to gain weight, do it accordingly.
Yeah. Thank you, Anshul. So over to you, Divakar.
Yeah, thank you. So, my question to Ansul, let's continue with that. I also see very good improvement in my health, right? But apart from this, sometimes I used to procrastinate. Means I don't do regular exercise and all those things. I don't have any problem, but I want to continue with this healthy lifestyle. So, what 2 or 3 things I should do on a daily basis? That small thing that will keep me healthy for means future for longer duration, basically.
So you want to know the solution
Two,
to get
two,
rid of
three
procrastination.
things. Yeah, 2, 3 things which is easy to do, and that will keep me healthy.
So first thing is to get out of your to bring you out of your procrastination, because I assume that 80 to 90% of the people procrastinate in starting a healthy diet or maybe starting a healthy exercise routine. So I would start with the first step to get out of procrastination or self delay. Or most of the people are lazy; they don't have time for themselves. So get some accountability partners, someone in your maybe family, friends, relatives, or the society where you're living in. Look out for any person who is active, who is getting up early in the morning, going for running or going to gym. Get some social network, and when you sleep in the
Maybe
night, in the evening.
Anshul, you can call him for accountability.
So
Yeah.
we will try that. So once you are going to sleep, before that, you can tell your friend that let's get up tomorrow. Just give me a call at 6 o'clock in the evening. If most of the people have this problem of getting up early in the morning, especially in the winters. So once you get his call or her call, there would be some fear in your mind that if he is going off, if she can do that, I also should join him or her, so that you can get out of your bed and start doing exercise. Go for exercise. So this is the first step. Second step would be to build a healthy habit of eating healthy. So basic thing I would like to tell that when you go to a grocery shop or kirana shop or any D-Mart or Big Bazaar or whatever, don't focus on those processed foods. Just bring some healthy food, like bring some makhana, or go for shopping and go try to bring some almonds or walnuts or dry fruit or some chia seeds फॉर योर मिड मील क्रेविंग, जो हमको बीच बीच में खाने की इच्छा होती है ना, उसके लिए डोंट गो फॉर बिस्किट्स एंड टू मच ऑफ नमकीन. समथिंग इज ओके फॉर योर गेस्ट बट नॉट फॉर योर सेल्फ. So try to purchase items that is available in the market, so that gradually you will increase your eating healthy. Okay. Second thing is that. Third thing is that hydration is very important, which most of the people avoid. Go for at least 3 to 4 liters of water on a daily basis. Nowadays, I'm living in Noida. Temperatures are in Delhi NCR, they have crossed 50 degrees. So to be hydrated is very important. Go for water, go for coconut water if you like, go for fresh juices of seasonal food, whatever is available in the market. Go for tomato soups, go for curd also, and any kind of hydration instead of going off on these colas or soda drinks or processed cans जो आते हैं juices के. Go for fresh fruit and juices and know the importance of taking hydration on a daily basis.
Good. Thank you. So, means accountability partner and some focusing on diet will help me be healthy. So, next question is to you, Vaishali ji. I want to improve my external things, right? Whatever hard work I am doing, that I am doing. Whatever knowledge or skills I want to acquire, that I am doing. So, how to improve through your skills or knowledge, so that we can get some better results without doing this? How to change the environment to get better result? Some tips on 1 or 2 tips that I can do easily.
यस, सबसे पहली चीज है कि आपका एनर्जी जो है, आप क्या अचीव करना चाहते हैं वो गोल के साथ में आपकी, क्योंकि हर चीज की एक एनर्जी है, वो एनर्जी मैच होना चाहिए. समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि हमारा गोल होता है कि हमको 10 lakhs अ मंथ हमको अचीव करना है, दैट इज अवर गोल. बट बैक ऑफ द माइंड में हमारे ये चलता रहता है, ये होगा कैसे, ये होगा कि नहीं होगा. तो सबसे पहले आप अपने सबकॉन्शियस को बिल्कुल ट्रेन कीजिए कि वॉट एवर यू आर थिंकिंग, वॉट यू आर गोइंग टू अचीव, यू आर ऑलरेडी अचीव्ड इट. सबसे पहले ये मान लेना है, क्योंकि हमको ये लगता है हाइपोथेटिकली है, बट आप एक चीज आप हमेशा सुनते आए होंगे कि फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट. दैट इज रियली रियली वर्क. ये बहुत ज्यादा वर्क करता है. ये ऐसा वैसा नहीं बनाया हुआ है कि फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट. इट इज नॉट अबाउट कि आपको वो करोड़ों रुपए की गाड़ी लाके खड़ी कर देनी, ऐसा नहीं करना है. बट यू हैव दैट एनर्जी अलाइनमेंट की यदि मैं ऐसा कर रहा हूँ, आई एम ऑलरेडी अचीविंग इट एंड यू आर डूइंग इट. इन जब आप घर से निकल रहे हो तो हाँ मेरे पास 10 करोड़ है एंड आई एम योर फीलिंग इज शुड बी देयर. हम इनसाइडली फील नहीं करते, हम इनसाइडली तो सैड ही फील करते हैं, अरे यार अभी तो हमारे को बड़ी गाड़ी लेनी है, अभी तो यही गाड़ी है, अरे फिर गाड़ी खराब हो गई. हमारे वर्ड्स हमको बहुत मार्क करने चाहिए, क्योंकि यदि यूनिवर्स से आप कुछ भी चाहते हैं तो वो यूनिवर्स हमेशा आपको एक ही आंसर देता है कि दैट इज तथास्तु. तो अब आप सोचो कि आप जो बोलने जा रहे हैं उसमें आपको कोई तथास्तु बोल रहा है, तो आप बोल रहे हैं यार मेरी गाड़ी बार बार बंद पड़ जाती है, एंड ही इज सेइंग तथास्तु. So what is going to happen? It is like that. Same with the मनी पार्ट के लिए आपकी एनर्जी बहुत हाई लेवल पे उनके साथ में अलाइन होनी चाहिए जिस तरीके से है. दूसरी चीज की यही हम कितना ग्रेटिट्यूड पे करते हैं. Whatever gratitude should be an attitude. Whatever you pay as a gratitude, it is always come back. Whatever you say, whatever you do, it is always going to come back to you. तो जितना अच्छा करोगे उतना अच्छा वापस आएगा. सो हमारी हर एक सांस ग्रेटिट्यूड है, बिकॉज हमारी अगली सांस नहीं आई तो यू आर गोइंग टू बिकम बॉडी. सडनली नेम से आप बॉडी हो जाओगे विद इन अ सेकेंड्स. तो ग्रेटिट्यूड शुड बी एन एटीट्यूड. आप कुछ भी काम कर रहे हैं, चाहे किसी को पैसा भी दे रहे हैं ना, बहुत लोग पैसा देते हैं ना तो बहुत दुखी होके देते हैं, अरे यार इतने रुपए खर्च हो गए. अब कोई भी चीज सामान खरीदते हैं ना तो भी उसमें खुश नहीं होते. कई बार के ऐसा लगता है अरे इतने रुपए खर्च हो गए, ऐसा हो गया, अभी मुझे खरीदना पड़ रहा है. तो ऑलवेज गिव मनी विद द ब्लेसिंग्स, ऑलवेज गिव मनी विद द हैप्पीनेस, ऑलवेज गिव मनी विद द ग्रेटिट्यूड. तो ये दो चीज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है. मैं टिप्स मैं आपको बता दूं कि ये मंदिर चाहिए, आप ऐसे करिए, ये करिए, सुबह उठ के वो करिए, यहाँ पे ये रखिए, वहां पे, दैट इज ऑल्सो वर्क. बट ये आपका लॉन्ग टर्म वर्क करेगा, बिकॉज वी आर कोचेस. ER coach is, तो we should know कि हमारा अलाइनमेंट, एनर्जी अलाइनमेंट कैसा है. यदि
Yes.
आप अपने कोर्स में जा रहे हैं और आपके अलाइनमेंट नहीं है, तो वो आपके स्टूडेंट्स को क्लियर दिखेगा.
Right.
सेम विद द मनी को क्लियर दिख रहा है कि आपका अलाइनमेंट नहीं है उनके साथ. So if you want to
Very
get the
important
results, you have
advice.
to align.
Yes. So we should means feeling and gratitude is two
Yeah.
important things which we
Yeah.
should take care of basically. Right.
Yes.
Thank you,
Yes.
Vaishali ji. So after coming from self-health and self-feeling and gratitude, so I just want to come on that family side. How to take care of your children. Means family में होता है कि सबके अभी क्या हो रहा है कि सबके अपने अपने इंटरेस्ट हो रहे हैं. I used to do my things, spouse do to my children भी अकेले हैं तो वो भी कुछ में लगे. तो सिंक में कैसे लाएं कुछ 2-3 इम्पोर्टेंट एक्टिविटी या टिप्स जिससे कि थोड़ा सा फैमिली टुगेदरनेस अच्छा हो एंड the kids should be focused more on that right thing, their goal. This question is to Ambika.
Yeah, okay. So, yeah. So first, Divakar, like we as a family, we have a thing like daily morning. Even I plan along with my kids. So maybe you can also have that kind of an activity like in your home. Okay, this is my plan. You can just tell out of your, okay, this is my plan. So what are your plans as a first one? If you are a beginner, maybe first time they won't understand what do you mean by plan, because usually it is a way of coming like usually school plans. Okay, so we get schedule from the school only, but the most important thing is even the school plans also, that is only till the schedule, the timetable. But we have to plan, we have to understand like from this time to this time, like screen time, as Anshul mentioned, that can be a little plan, like only from this time to this time I'm going to enjoy my screen time, and from this time to this time I'm not going to touch you. So that can be as a start. Okay, this is my plan for screen time. And one more thing, we can bring out like okay, let's have a family time, get together. So at that time, it's more important only for the family to tell. And as Vaishali ji told, like gratitude, वो भी एक small activity हो सकती है. तो पहले हम parents like as coaches also, we know what is gratitude and what we wish, that is equal to prayer. We all know this. But what we can, as a start point, we can tell like while we are having as a dinner, okay, today I thank so and so person for, because she helped me this, he helped me this. So that's how the other child will also, okay, even I thank my friend because he gave me cycle. So that's like an each day activity. So we have like in our tribe, in our Naturo East tribe, we have an activity called self-discovery series. Okay, so each day we tell like, it's like cleansing ourselves also. Okay, so you can have that also. Like, what was happy moment for you? What was sorry moment for you? What was okay moment for you? So that is it's actually a kind of a cleansing daily. So you can apply.
Yeah.
And even viewers also, you also can apply. Come on, viewers, you can ask us any questions. We are here from health, wealth, and numerology. You can ask us, and even parenting. Okay.
Nice advice.
Okay, to you.
Thank you. Thank you, Vaishali ji. Definitely, I am going to implement all those things, what you all have suggested in my life to make it much better. Apart from finance, I should take care of my health and other feelings, gratitude and family life also. Thank you. And over to Vaishali ji.
Yeah, दिवाकर जी, सबसे पहले क्योंकि जहां तक मुझे अंदाजा है कि आपके जाने का टाइम हो रहा है एंड यू आर हैविंग ऑलरेडी अ मीटिंग, तो जनरली मैं तो एज अ फीमेल पर्सपेक्टिव से कि व्हाट इज द easiest way to understand the share market thing for the female, because सबसे ज्यादा फीमेल उससे ही डरती है, अरे शेयर मार्केट में नहीं, और अच्छा हस्बैंड भी डरा देते हैं, नहीं 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 तुम मत करना, कुछ चला जाएगा तो ये, तो हाउ टू स्टार्ट विथ एंड हाउ टू, जब पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे देन ही दे गो अहेड. So what is the safest way to start and how they can female can do the share market thing? I want to know.
वैशाली जी, इसमें एक पॉइंट ऐड करता हूँ मैं कि फीमेल्स ही नहीं, कुछ ऐसे मेल्स भी हैं जो हेल्थ कोच हैं, वो भी डरते हैं. नई आइडिया।
ओके।
इट्स ओके। सो मैं इसमें कहना चाहूंगा कि देखिए, जैसे हर स्किल में थोड़ा सा इनिशियल डर रहता है, राइट? हम स्विमिंग करने जाते हैं, हमें लगता है कहीं हम डूब ना जाए। तो क्या होता है, क्योंकि पानी में हम पहले नहीं उतरे हैं और हमें डर लग रहा है कि पानी नाक में गया तो फिर हमें सांस नहीं ले पाएंगे एंड दिक्कत आएगी। तो मैं जैसे स्विमिंग सीखता हूँ तो कैसे सीखूंगा कि मैं हाथ बाहर या तो मारता रहूं या फिर कोई कोच थोड़ा या किसी से हेल्प लेके मैं पानी में उतर के थोड़ा सा लर्न करेंगे। जब तक बाहर रहूंगा मुझे दिक्कत आएगी। तो फाइनेंस में भी इसी तरह की भी ऑलरेडी पानी तो हमने कर लिया है, क्योंकि एफडी करा है हमने, कुछ म्यूचुअल फंड लिया है हमने, तो हमने कुछ चीजें तो करी हैं, तो हमने फाइनेंशियल अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ गई है, लेकिन रेट ऑफ रिटर्न अभी कम है ना, कि 5% ही एफडी में है या 7-8% पीपीएफ में। तो सिमिलरली म्यूचुअल फंड हमने लेना स्टार्ट किया, थोड़ी नॉलेज है, तो हमें ये समझ आ जाता है कि एक कंपनी है जिसमें हम इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं एंड वी बिकम ए पार्टनर ऑफ दैट कंपनी। वो लॉन्ग टर्म में अगर कंपनी ग्रो हो रही है तो हमारा पैसा भी साथ में ग्रो हो रहा है। एज ए साइलेंट पार्टनर हम अपना काम कर रहे हैं और वट एवर आई हैव इन्वेस्टेड, ये हमारा पैसा लगा हुआ है और पैसा ही हमारे लिए पैसा कमाएगा। तो ये बेसिक
राइट
नॉलेज हो गई।
राइट
अब आ गया कि हम कैसे इन्वेस्टमेंट या स्टॉक मार्केट सीखें। स्टॉक मार्केट इज ए प्लेस वेयर कंपनीज जो है रजिस्टर्ड है, तो ये एक लीगल और एथिकल सब कुछ गवर्नमेंट चीजें हैं और ये 50 साल से चल रहा है, ठीक है। तो हमारा इंडिया का भी और आगे भी 50 साल चलता रहेगा। तो क्या है कि एक तो लीगल हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया, तो इसमें कहीं कोई ये नहीं है कि हमें डर लगे या क्या। अब बात आती है स्किल की इनहेंसमेंट की। तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, सबसे पहला कदम ये होता है कि जैसे डीमैट खुलवाना, जैसे बैंक अकाउंट खोलते हैं हम एफडी के लिए, उसी तरह एक डीमैट होता है जिससे हम स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं कंपनी खरीदना या बेचना। तो वहां से
राइट
फिर हम एक या दो कंपनी, 5,000 की या 10,000 की, कोई अच्छी कंपनी जिसमें कि आप काम कर चुके हो या सुने हो, जैसे आप आईटी बहुत कंपनी को जानते हो, इंफोसिस,
यस
टीसीएस, एचसीएल, या फिर कोई एफएमसीजी कंपनी जानते हो कि हिंदुस्तान लीवर हो गया या ब्रिटानिया हो गया, जो कि अच्छी चल रही है और आप उसका प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहे हो। तो आपको वहां से स्टार्ट करना है जिसका कि आप खुद ही प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहे हो और उसके पार्टनर बन रहे हो एक तरह से, और वो कंपनी खरीदनी है 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, एंड देन आपका वो ग्रेजुअली कैसे हो रहा है वो देखना है। एंड with that you can take some courses also to learn how this works, how to do fundamental analysis of that company, technical analysis के लिए चार्ट वगैरह कैसे देखने हैं, then price कैसे मूव होता है, डाउन होता है, accordingly you can learn and gradually move on। तो ये एक बेसिक स्टेप है जहां से आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो।
ओके थैंक यू वेरी मच। सो अभी मैं बात करती हूँ कि अंशुल से अंशुल आज तो मैंने डोसा बना के खाया, सी मैंने बाहर का नहीं खाया बट अब यही मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि आज तो आपने मुझे बोला तो मैंने कहा ठीक है यार चलो और डोसा बना के खा लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, बाहर का नहीं खाते हैं। सो अब यही जो हैबिट्स बहुत सारी यंग फीमेल्स में भी है और मुझ जैसी बहुत सी फीमेल में है जो बाहर का खाना बहुत पसंद करते हैं बट अपने आप को हेल्दी भी रखना चाहते हैं, दैट इज कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट है। तो अब इसको ठीक कैसे करें, मतलब अभी इतनी ज्यादा आदत है और ये आदत को हम ठीक कैसे करें, दैट इज द थिंग।
मेरे पास कई लोग आते हैं, जैसे कि आपने सवाल पूछा कि उनकी 10 साल से 15 साल से बाहर से खाने की आदत होती है, उनको खाने की आदत अपनी खराब होती है, उनको चाहते हैं कि वेट लॉस जल्दी हो जाए, 1 महीने में 10 किलो हो जाए, जो कि प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल नहीं होता। मैं उनसे
वेट
यही पूछता हूँ क्या
लॉस ना
आप,
भी हो बट हैबिट हेल्दी हो जाए। मेरा
हाँ
क्वेश्चन ये है कि हैबिट हेल्दी हो जाए तो व्हाट टू डू, कि ये बाहर के खाने की आदत हम कैसे धीरे धीरे छोड़े। वैसे एक दिन में तो छूटेगी नहीं।
राइट, तो उसके लिए आप, मेरा सजेशन यही है कि आप इंटरनेट पे जाइए, यूट्यूब में जाइए, हेल्दी जो रेसिपीज होती हैं जो कि न्यूट्रिशन कंटेंट भी उसमें होता है और टेस्टी भी होती हैं, वो थोड़ा सर्च करने की कोशिश करिए। कुछ रेसिपी बुक्स ऐसी लाइए मार्केट से, ऑनलाइन फैसिलिटी है आजकल, आप खरीदिए, उसमें थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट के साथ उनको पढ़ने की कोशिश करिए। मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं प्रोटीन, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट और फाइबर, इसका हमारे बॉडी में जाना बहुत जरूरी है हेल्दी रहने के लिए। बाहर का जब हम खाना खाते हैं तो ये पूरी तरह से मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स हमारे बॉडी में नहीं पहुंच पाते, क्योंकि टेस्ट खराब हो जाती है। कहावत है दुनिया में सब, हाँ अगर
Voice is breaking.
या वॉइस इज
सो दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा त्याग बोला जाता है जीभ के त्याग को। अगर जिसने अपनी जीभ पे कंट्रोल कर लिया उसकी हेल्थ ऑटोमेटिक ऑटोमेटिकली काबू में आ जाती है कुछ दिन बाद।
राइट।
तो जैसे मैंने बताया, आप अलग अलग ऑप्शंस ट्राई करिए खाने बनाने के, रेसिपी बनाने के। न्यूट्रिशियस रेसिपीज भी बहुत होती हैं। प्रोटीन रिच डाइट्स पे फोकस करिए, प्रोटीन वाली जो डाइट्स होती हैं, स्नैक्स बनाने की कोशिश करिए, वो न्यूट्रिशियस होती हैं। और उसके साथ साथ आपको ये नहीं लगेगा कि मुझे टेस्ट में मजा नहीं आ रहा है या मैं टेस्ट पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर रही हूँ। वैसा ही आपको टेस्ट लगेगा जैसा कि आप बाहर का खाना ऑर्डर करती हैं। तो धीरे 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 करते करते आपकी आदत में शुमार हो जाएगा वो, और हो सकता है कल को जाके वो आदत छूट भी जाए। और हम जब नेक्स्ट इंस्टॉलाइज करेंगे 21 दिन बाद, आप मुझे थैंक यू बोल सकती हैं आदत छुड़वाने के लिए।
श्योर श्योर, क्योंकि अभी तक यही मानते हैं जनरली लोग कि हेल्दी फूड टेस्टी नहीं होता, पर आपने बताया कि चलो ठीक है, तो मैं जाके थोड़ा सर्च करने वाली हूँ और देखती हूँ कि हेल्दी जो फूड है वो मेरे लिए कितना टेस्टी बन पाता है। तो
And this mouth is
I
also talking, right, Anshul? It also advertises, right? The negative and like negative aspect of the food.
यस यस। सो अंबिका जी, मुझे तो एक्चुअली क्या है, मेरा किड तो अभी बड़ा हो गया है, बट मेरे जैसी भी बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स बहुत इस चीज से गए हैं जब जाते हैं ये फेज से, जो टीनेज फेज है जिसको आप केटर कर रही हैं। दैट इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट फेज आई एवर फेस्ड इन माय लाइफ। बट अभी जो मेरा रिसेंटली कंसर्न है, क्योंकि मैं अभी बहुत सारे बच्चों के साथ में मैंने काम किया है क्योंकि मैं करियर एंड गाइड काउंसलर, करियर एंड लाइफ काउंसलर भी हूँ। सो अभी मोस्ट ऑफ बच्चे जो करियर गाइडेंस के लिए भी आते हैं और बहुत सारे बच्चे देखते हैं कि वो पेरेंट्स के साथ नहीं आते, अकेले आते हैं, क्योंकि उनको काफी चीजें अकेले बात करनी होती है। और मेरा जो सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न राइट नाउ है, जो मैंने बहुत दिन से फेस कर रही हूँ, कि बच्चे धीरे धीरे कोई ना कोई ड्रग्स की आदत के लिए जा रहे हैं। दे आर गोइंग फॉर वीड्स, स्टार्टिंग विद द सिगरेट्स, देन वीड्स। दैट्स व्हाई दे केम अलोन टू मी, कि हमको पेरेंट्स के सामने नहीं बात करनी, हमको नहीं बताना है वीड्स एंड ऑल। और पर ये चीज मैं बहुत ज्यादा मैं ट्राई करती हूँ कि उनको मेंटली लेवल पे, नॉट मेरे स्किल से नहीं, बट एज अ काउंसलर स्किल, एज अ कोच स्किल मैं ट्राई करती हूँ। बट एज यू आर अ पेरेंटिंग कोच, तो व्हाट इज योर्स, ना आपका इनपुट बहुत ज्यादा रहेगा इसके अंदर, एग्जैक्ट इनपुट रहेगा। तो मुझे थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में कि कैसे पेरेंट्स को पता चले, यदि तो पेरेंट्स उसको कैसे डील करें, और या तो सिर्फ बच्चे हैं जो पेरेंट्स को नहीं बताना चाहते और इसमें से निकलना चाहते हैं, तो वो कैसे डील करें। तो ये दो एस्पेक्ट में थोड़ा थोड़ा भी आप बता देंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा।
Yeah. Actually, I'm a parenting coach now, but earlier I was he is health catalyst also. So I also do the natural cure lifestyle also, but little bit I will touch here and there of both. Okay, and maybe Anshul also can put his input also towards the eating part. So first of all, when those kids want to have the cigarette or they want to do, and they want to talk to you in private, so what you can do is like, you can ask like, from when are they having this habit? Number one. Okay, so this they are kind of having as a pleasure. Are they believing in it, but still they want to do? There are two categories. Like as a beginner, they don't want to do, but they have some kind of a pleasure they want to do. So we have to understand which level are they. Are they the beginner, they don't want to do, no, or are they like the next level, they have gone and they don't want to leave it. So there are certain levels which I can talk to only to the child and make out. Number one. Number two, we can make out like if there is so many years, like at least 1 year or 6 months before the child has started, definitely there should be some health issues as well. So if that health issue is more on the child, that means that is actually a major issue we can show. Is it okay with you to deal with that body issue, something like that? You understood what I meant? If it is like a cigarette, some problem with the like digestion ka problem hoga, okay, but Anshul can tell this also, okay, क्योंकि अस्थमा वो ट्रैक है ना, उसका हिसाब से कॉन्स्टिपेशन होता है, ठीक है, तो वो सब चीजें हैं. And how is he during the night time? How is he? Because some kinds of pressure, stress only, they are actually taking this एक ऐसे सॉल्यूशन में वो सिगरेट का वो चले जाता है, ठीक है, पर उनको मालूम नहीं है कि कौन सा प्रॉब्लम का कौन सा सॉल्यूशन है. सब सॉल्यूशन के लिए उनके पास एक ही है, सिगरेट या some other thing like negative things, whatever you said. So first we have to understand their list of problems, and if they see at least one change, right, so there are more chances to get them back. That's the first tip what I can give it to you, right? So these are the journeys where I have just touched, and we can actually have to handhold them definitely for such kind of teenagers. Yes, definitely somebody has to handhold them.
Yeah, but
And,
how parents are going to deal it with when they got to know? That is the most important concern of myself also. कि when parents को जब पता चलता है, they shattered. They don't believe.
Okay.
They don't believe कि हमारे
So
संस्कार
you
ऐसे हैं, हमारा बच्चा
okay,
इसमें ऐसे है.
so you talk to parents also or only to the child, because you started like only child is speaking to you like in a private way. So
Yeah, I'm
you
asking I'm asking as a viewer right now, not as a coach.
okay,
So I'm asking you
okay,
कि as a viewer यदि parent को पता चले, सब पेरेंट्स को पता तो चलता है आज नहीं तो कल. So
हाँ
how they are going to deal, क्योंकि बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स को डील करना ही नहीं आता. आइदर वो
yeah,
डांटते
sure,
हैं, आइदर वो मारते
हाँ
हैं, आइदर वो कुछ करते हैं. सो दे डोंट नो हाउ टू डील, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स भी ऐसे देखे हैं. तो
yeah, I
उनको
got
समझ
you,
ही नहीं
yeah,
आता कि हम डील कैसे करें. सो आई वांट टू नो कि बच्चा तो ठीक है, हम उसको समझाएं या उसके प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट करें या प्रॉब्लम्स लेकर आए. देन वी आस्क कि भाई ये प्रॉब्लम का क्या सॉल्यूशन तुम देखते हो, देन हमारी तरफ से क्या हो सकता है, ट्राई इट आउट एंड वी कैन काउंसिल. बट हाउ
yeah,
टू काउंसिल द मतलब पेरेंट्स कैसे डील करें. अब आप मतलब यदि मैं पेरेंट
yeah,
हूँ
got
समझिए,
it,
तो मैं
हाँ
कैसे
हाँ
डील करूँ.
हाँ. So to the parent first, it would be really a shocking news, definitely, that I could understand from the parenting view. Okay, so the most important part is the connection from us as a parent to the child. It has to be connection to todna nahi chahiye, tootna nahi chahiye. And when we yell or do the more violent thing like beating or yelling, right, because I know some of parents tell me in one-to-one counseling also. So at that point of time you have to first understand, like whatever I told you before, what are the problems of the child. Either the parent can understand these sequences, okay, or else definitely the parent has to meet some parenting expert, right, and they can understand like what are the problems of the child. Just talk in personally, understand it one by one, so that the child speaks out. Sometimes the child, and if the parent comes to know that child doesn't want to talk to the parent, that means we as a parent are somewhere missing as our friendship relationship with our child. So we have to come down. And how can we connect? The first tip is like, let me tell you to all the parents here, हम कैसे थे जब वो like when they were born, when they were 1 year old, 2 year old, how many negative things, how many bad things they have done, right? So we have to think that our teenage as 1 year, 2 year child, and then first let's forgive them and let's give another one chance. And in another one chance, the next chance, we can ask the child like, let me also be your partner, let's find out a solution together. So that's more important part. So most of the parents, when they are dealing with the younger child like 4 to 5 years old and all, they are like very much friendly, enjoying with the child. But when teenager part comes, somewhere it is coming as a like the not friendship का part, क्योंकि हमारा दिमाग करेक्शन में चले जाता है, नहीं नहीं मेरा बच्चा तो कोई और, ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए, नहीं वो डिसिप्लिन है, होना चाहिए, बट वी कैन मेक अवरसेल्फ, नहीं नहीं मेरा बच्चा अभी बच्चा ही है, लेट मी फर्स्ट कनेक्ट टू हिम, दैट्स द मोस्ट important part. But more than this, if it is more hurting for you, definitely you have to take the parenting guide. That's from my side. And thank you so much, Vaishali ji, for asking this question. Anshul, you wanted to tell something in between. You can actually, Anshul, you wanted to tell something in between?
No, no.
Okay. Yeah, so I hope everybody enjoyed this session. And so, oh la la, oh la la. I think we all have made like ooh la la world from health, from wealth, and from parenting, and from the life coaching aspect of Cosmic Divine. And we have made our viewers also ooh la la. I hope. So after seeing this live session, actually they can even ask questions in the comment. So many replays would be there, definitely. And we all four would be definitely replying your answers. And thank you so much. We would be definitely putting our handles here. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. See you.
Thank you everyone, thank you all the viewers, and you can connect. हमको चारों को फॉलो कीजिए, बढ़िया से हम लोगों की सारी चीजें शेयर कीजिए, वीडियो शेयर कीजिए, and whatever question like Ambika says, we are going to answer you anyhow. Thank you very much. Thank you Divakar, thank you Anshul, thank you and Ambika.
Thank you, Vaishali. Bye.